Welcome to Ashman Digital News. At Ashman Digital News, we're excited to have you join our community, where technology, innovation, and digital transformation take center stage. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a digital entrepreneur, or simply curious about the fast-evolving digital world, you're in the right place. Hidden tech tricks that could change everything. Unleash your device's full potential. We rely on technology every day, but did you know that your devices hold hidden features that can make your life easier, faster, and more efficient? From smartphones to laptops, there are tricks and shortcuts that most people overlook. In this video, we'll explore some of these lesser-known tech secrets that could transform the way you use your gadgets. One of the quickest ways to save time and work more efficiently is by mastering keyboard shortcuts. While everyone knows basic commands like copy and paste, there are lesser-known shortcuts that can drastically improve your workflow. For instance, a quick keystroke can instantly minimize all windows to show your desktop, reopen a recently closed browser tab, or seamlessly switch between open apps. These shortcuts, once memorized, will allow you to navigate your computer with lightning speed, making everyday tasks smoother. Your smartphone, a powerful device you probably use every day, has hidden features that can make it even smarter. If you're an iPhone user, Apple's Shortcuts app lets you automate tasks. Imagine your phone automatically silencing itself when you arrive at work or sending a text when you leave a specific location. For Android users, the Smart Lock feature can keep your phone unlocked in trusted places like your home, saving you from repeatedly entering your PIN. And did you know iPhones have a back tap feature? With just a simple tap on the back of your phone, you can trigger actions like taking a screenshot or launching an app. Laptop users can extend their battery life by tapping into built-in power-saving features. Modern laptops include settings like battery saver mode, which reduces screen brightness and limits background apps to save power when you're away from a charger. You can also use the Task Manager or Activity Monitor to see which apps are draining your battery and shut them down for more efficient performance. If you've ever experienced slow Wi-Fi, there's a simple trick that could boost your connection. Change your Wi-Fi channel. Your router might be operating on a crowded channel, especially if you live in an apartment building with many nearby networks. By accessing your router's settings, you can switch to a less crowded channel, improving your speed without having to buy a new router. When it comes to cloud storage, most of us use platforms like Google Drive or Dropbox, but quickly run out of space. One way to save space is by converting files into more efficient formats. On Google Drive, for example, documents saved as Google Docs don't count against your storage quota. Additionally, you can enable selective sync on platforms like Dropbox, which lets you choose which folders to store locally, freeing up valuable space on your device while keeping everything else safely in the cloud. If you're the type of person who always has dozens of tabs and apps open, virtual desktops can help declutter your workspace. Virtual desktops allow you to organize your work by creating separate screens for different tasks, like one for work, another for personal projects, and another for entertainment. This makes multitasking much easier, allowing you to stay focused without feeling overwhelmed by the clutter of open apps and tabs. Voice assistants like Siri, Google Assistant, and Alexa are often underused. These assistants can do more than just set timers or answer questions. They can be powerful productivity tools. You can dictate and send emails, schedule appointments, and even control smart home devices with just your voice. Want to adjust your thermostat or turn off the lights without getting up? Simply ask Alexa or Google Assistant to do it for you. One often overlooked area of tech is app permissions. Many apps request access to sensitive data like your location, camera, or microphone, even when they're not in use. This can drain your battery and compromise your privacy. By reviewing and managing app permissions in your phone's settings, you can regain control over your data while also improving battery performance. Unlocking these hidden tech tricks can make a world of difference in your day-to-day life. By taking advantage of these little-known features, you'll save time, reduce frustration, and get more out of the devices you already own. It's amazing how much potential is just waiting to be discovered, hidden in plain sight, right at your fingertips. What hidden tech trick will you try first? Let us know in the comments below and share your own favorite tips. Together, we can all learn to use our technology in smarter, more efficient ways. AI and cybersecurity to practical digital solutions for everyday life. Ashman Digital News is your go-to source for staying ahead in the digital age. Stay tuned for fresh content, expert opinions, and trends that will keep you informed and inspired. We're thrilled to embark on this journey with you. Let's explore the future of tech together.